This is it, a good life. Yeah, Blue Mountain Forest Cafe. Yes, man. I'm giving a lot of reviews here, man, in a good life. So you know if you highlight. So anybody want contact, you can link up the good life here, man. You know, Michael, Mountain Forest. And the one connection. So you're not gonna see it. So look out for the website. Them website coming soon as well. They're not really have them website up yet, but it's coming soon. So we're gonna get more details on that as well. So just stay tuned and have a good life. So, Miguel, so how long it take to grow the coffee?
How long it takes?
Yeah.
Well, as soon as I put it in the ground, I treat it with whatever ounces of fertilizer you want to give it, or whatever ounces of manure you want to give. When I give it that now,
Yeah.
and you're just spraying in terms of
Fertilizer?
yeah, spraying like to enhance the growth
Yeah.
of the tree.
Yeah, yeah.
And also the health of the tree. Because just like human, you know, you have the tree and you know, treat the tree,
Yeah.
you get,
Start stunting.
yeah,
So
it's not going to be that healthy. So you have to get the vitamins we need.
Yeah, yeah.
So up on the reaching like the tree, for example, up at the top where you take the picture earlier, those trees are like 1 year old tree.
Okay.
Yeah. And so 1 year old tree start
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, early. So how long now these one been in the ground now?
So them wanna be basically been in the ground for like probably 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
We try our best with it, but you know, them in a good shape to 4 to 5 years. Probably another 6 years. If you notice the trunk of the tree, it's not really as, if you notice, you see some tree,
Yeah.
I saw the trunk fat, you know.
Thick.
Each year as it go by,
Yeah.
the chunk get fatter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is very a tree. It a produce.
So it's young, see me. It's still
tree,
young.
Young tree. It a produce.
And it's still a produce.
It's a produce over half box. Over
box.
5 pounds of coffee every year.
Every year.
This year. And next year, more. So each year is supposed to get more because the tree get bigger.
Yeah, yeah.
So as long as you care it, see it,
Yeah.
you know nutrients.
Yeah, what it means.
Yeah.
So how much acre is this?
It's a 5 man.
5 acre coffee. Wow.
When I walk through the whole like but, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, at least they're seeing that most of it.
Yeah man. So we can produce. Look there. Look at that tree right there. Right there now. That is
Oh no, blossom right now.
blossom. So that's a good condition, good healthy tree. And you can see right through the tree, so it get breathe. No limb no stifle, every limb I get sunlight, every limb I get breeze.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
every limb I produce.
So this is what you definitely want most of them to be like.
This is a perfect example of how we want all the tree to be.
Yeah.
Basically they are all what it is. But as the year grow by and them get more limb, we have to ensure we cut out some of them. This have to cut out because this is a tree growing on tree, so we don't need this.
Yeah.
Because this only gonna come. This is gonna suck most of the nutrient.
Okay.
The younger it is, the more energy, the more supplement to take.
Yeah. So you literally have to just
see
take
there?
whatever. You can see it's different.
Yeah, you see it?
The
Young.
color, yeah.
So all you gotta do, get something, cut it right here, or you could just break it. But whenever you break it, it damage the tree. And you're prone to like water soakage. So we don't really do it like that.
Okay, so you normally cut it.
Yeah, cut it.
So that part would like to shoot back?
No, because it tear. So a chance that like how it tear, so it not go
shoot.
Yeah, shoot.
So if you cut it now, it will shoot again?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it also prevent water from going to the tree.
Yeah.
What do you want this, brother?
Blessings.
Ready, Dada? Eh? Amen.
So how long now, Miguel?
Yeah?
So how long now you start pick?
No, we have picked on last year, September, October.
Yeah.
The internet just start right. But like say, as the months go by, you get more reaping and more ripe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how often do you pick? How often you reap? Yeah.
Depends. Sometimes depends on the climate. Cause for example, if you get rain and you get sun, it's prone to ripe faster. Because the rain now come with it and the sun now come.
Dried, so it's more.
So the rain make it absorb the water and then the sun now come and swell it.
Okay.
So it ripe faster.
Yeah.
So if the condition remain cold, it take longer because it just cool. So it almost like in a freezing stage.
Yeah, because when it's cool, you know, it slow down.
Yeah, it slow down.
So you need the energy, you need the heat, the sun.
Yeah.
Kind of speed up the growth.
Yeah. So that is what really happen.
Yeah.
But like for example, like in 2 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you process them now? You make them dry or you process them after now you pick them?
Oh, after we pick them now. Alright. Let me tell you. These are the picking stage. Alright, okay.
Yeah, go on. I realize that you. Yes, I.
Yeah. So, what you know is after you pick it now, instead of picking, after you pick it one stage, pulp it, another stage, water, wash it, another stage. It have a syrup now. So you have to ensure that you wash off all of the syrup off it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you put it now for dry.
Yes,
yeah.
So how long now that will dry for?
Probably about 2 weeks, 7 days. Hot sun, so after the sun, the more quicker it dry now. Because it has the water content in it you have to cut.
Yeah.
So, like when you wash it off now, it's still, there's a lot of water content in it. Still having a lot of water. So, because you realize it's having a lot of water inside the bean itself. So whenever after the sun, the more quicker it take out the water content.
So after that, no, you just buy it bag and ready for distribute.
No, after that, after it dry now, you have to sort it out because these beans are carry different grade.
Okay.
Yeah, so some of the beans them smaller, some bigger.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, so you grade it, and some of the beans them damage. So you select the damaged bean from the healthy bean. Yeah.
So you have to go through back everything again.
Yeah, pick them. Yeah, pick out the picking, skull picking. Pick out the healthy bean them.
Yeah,
you understand? We could go down further. Go give a better example.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. So them are.
Wow. Yeah.
Now watch this.
We love the experience, Miguel.
Yeah, I just, why the tree them look so, as me say, as stress?
Yeah, most of them.
Yeah, man, because they bear a lot, you know, so it take, you know.
Yeah, they might go through, because I see them like human being, they might go through stress, you know, ups and
Too
downs.
much load, and you don't have enough food.
Mm-hmm.
That,
That is a lot.
Little one go over here.
And them go over there ready for eat now.
Yeah, now, yeah, someone.
You know them for months right away. Natural pick and eat. Pick and eat straight away.
Talk for so long, I'm not drink no water, good for the mouth burst, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Check it, you know. Swerving at the bite too deep.
Yes, that's here.
Yeah, man.
In the kitchen.
Yes, sir. We are going to do
I slowest chef this, you know.
A lie.
I can't dare say wait for him.
A lie.
The man, look how he move. Like it time move in the
I
kitchen.
have to reach up here so quick. So him drive fast and cook slow.
See the difference, yeah?
Let's see, my general. Give thanks, yeah?
I difference this.
The difference. And see resemblance, Mr. Difference.
Email, you want to spray in the work.
Okay.
Spraying and thing and anything to do with. Otherwise,
him now.
them,
So him are the protector.
Hold on. Yo. The man them give people them shirt. The man them put on them shirt.
I'm sure. You looking what? I'm eating some guava. Got the view in the good life. See there? Jamaica Good Life. Mountain Forest in Blue Mountain. My voice is awesome. Don't worry about my voice. Yeah. Good life.
Yeah, me that shit. What that one? Come not here, man.
Where back bring? Three minutes in the fire side, them.
No, man. No, can't pinch it.
No, it a go stain up. It a go stain up because I'm going to peel the banana. So you better you. Where back alright?
No, that's
Yeah, man, I'll get it back, man.
No, can't put a shirt and give me shirt. Yeah, I'm going to put my shirt in it, man. Yes, me care. Can't take my shirt, man.
Easy, man. Me have shirt. Me have more shirt than my yard.
No, man. But I can't take my shirt, man.
The chef.
The chef.
Do him thing, you know.
The money are more than the chef.
My mother.
Good life, you know?
Yeah, good life.
Chef, everywhere.
Yeah, for the coffee farm, you know?
Yeah.
And the money are the chef alone. Like,
Mountain, forest. Yeah, good life. See a chef in a real life too.
I tell you, man.
More places everywhere. The money go far for a cook.
So how much pound of flour then?
Well, this hour. What flour buy, Shango? 4 pounds.
4
So
pound.
4 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of cornmeal in it, you know?
Holy
Yeah, man, so cook some baked bean and saltfish.
See there?
Yeah. And also we have some veg.
Cabbage, some vegetable for the vegetarian there.
Oh,
Well, a good life.
a good life. I know Kino and I eat this all fish.
So we don't deal with that thing there.
Yeah.
So we have to have the vegetable.
After that.
Right.
You know the thing though. Shanga go and scour the pot.
Yeah, man, which is right, you know.
Natural way with the dirt.
Yeah, man, the pot them pull up long time a bush there and stuff. Like a long time, no cooking and go on for the farm too.
So true good life is here now. So
Yes,
good life
aye,
cooking
good
off your
things have
go on.
to go on.
Good things are for go on.
So these are not put no mango wood in that mango wood there.
Good things are for go on. The good things them.
Yes, right.
Natural way. Right.
That's how we deal with it, you know. Natural dirt. Yeah, man, see it, yeah. Them things I would throw in the pot and score the pot them, you know.
It is so.
First.
Mountain
Oh,
forest time.
Yes, right.
Natural way. So Miguel,
Yo,
what go on with the bees them?
right down with the bees them. That's a go on easy. And then
Yeah,
the
the queen bee
two
down.
we never have no good weather.
Yeah,
But it just start pick up now. Look rain, look sun.
yeah.
So the bees them can't get enough water.
Okay.
And as well as as me show you the coffee them a blossom. Mango a blossom.
Yeah,
Thing a blossom, so them a get little food now, you know.
yeah, yeah.
And you know we not give them no sugar.
Alright. Natural.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you the next time then.
Most definitely. About
Definitely.
a couple months time you're going to catch a bees then.
Couple months time.
Yeah. I know you have to get that to me.
Of course.
And the world want the honey.
Alright.
We don't even want to tell the world some you have honey because every day them will call me.
Yeah. But where him have the honey. But when it's ready, you're gonna see, cause it no more funny.
They can't. Yo, world.
I'm gonna see. Good life.
Alright.
And I'm gonna see.
Now we can supply the
So
world.
now when you see the coffee, then a couple months later,
Now
we're not gonna see the honey.
Yeah, because the farm not nearby.
Cause imagine a long time me not get honey.
Yeah.
A long time, so that's so long. But yeah, the world I wait for still. You know the good life.
Real good life.
So right now the good life pot a boil up.
Look at it reach simmer stage.
In a reach simmer stage. Yeah. Still a fire stage.
Oh, go on.
And the breeze a blow the fire to the west.
And the right thing it do.
Actually the fire got away there.
And the more fire we have.
Yeah, we need to put something in the zinc just to light the fire.
Worry. After we were coming at the multitude, after seeing the hill, go up in the mountain. And after they reach in the mountain and was set, they put on a pot. And after the pot put on now, we're going to have a feast.
Oh, the vice gone and a good life. Still a good vibes.
Yes, right.
Why soon come up on us? Just me soon get something to eat, man, to clear back. Want a cane?
Some honey me don't want now.
Want a cane?
Yeah. Well, the cane
Get chop a cane for you.
the cane I help it.
Yeah, man. I just liquid the wine. Something like you suit it. I eat a guava already, though.
Yeah.
That's why.
I look like go on straight.
Something hot like all what dumplings to lick with that.
I go with that wet thing, man. Lie down on a bag, man.
Man left city and come and use
Where the man come from, man? It's one. How much it?
Off to the work and onto the hills.
Easy, Mr. Alden.
there this side.
Eh?
Once I some banana but they are feel.
Oh.
Pumpkin that straight and I'll copy. Pumpkin like in come here for 1 2 day and just can't stay like you have young baby down there.
Into the road cut.
Like if a man get seasoned with the man then down there. You miss them when he come, you have to just cut out back.
Put a ring like say. Away the colour.
I say he come here Friday. My Monday colour gone again.
I'm glad team present so he come over week still.
When colour go deal out him coffee and like
That's not there man you. That's there you.
you can tell them if you know.
That would have run the place and now it's pumpkin the create the farm and
Tell daddy say now kill out peon and then you can run in. The man kill out first, the man kill out down a Derby. I come like a woods the man what we plan to kill out too.
A joke thing, brother.
Ah, scrappy then, that's such is life. Scrappy, a different thing to the and see? So that's how this is someone who for that. That's how we
say. No, you say. You say coffee pick up in the day, nah pick up. One in pair, I put you by come, I put you like you, I put you out on the man car.
yeah, you can't manage it. Can't manage it.
Yeah, man, like this Kino man, first son, you know?
Yeah, the first one.
The reaping stage it right now. Come on, Peter. Cherry ripe, they reach cherry ripe stage it there now. So when them ripe like this,
Reaping season now.
yeah.
So this is how we do it in Blue Mountain.
You know? Peter. Cherry ripe. You know? So actually the beans are really inside the skin. So it's the next process again after you pick them from the tree. You take them to the factory where them pulp it. Them call that stage pulping. Where you remove the skin.
Yeah.
You know? So these are the beans now.
The part where you make it dry.
So you have to wash off, get off the slime, which is the syrup, from off the seeds, you know, and then you put it for dry.
Yeah.
So it's another natural process that again you put it out in the sun to get it dry,
Natural.
you know. So the sun do the drying same way. So after it dry now, you take the skin, and next layer upon it will have to come off same way. So after that layer, that stage them called hulling. We remove the outer covering from off the seed, you know, and from there, say you just know, say you see them dry properly.
Yeah.
You just dry, yeah.
So it's natural process you do them.
Natural process, everything go through a natural process,
See them.
you know. Yeah, man. So It's in a full swing now, you know. Reaping stage and as you can see.
Yeah.
Farmer them there do it.
Blessings, farmer.
Yeah, brother, man.
So how long now you a farmer?
Well, at least we're born, come see, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Are you a family relative as well?
And now we do our farm, so we know, so we just can't make it there,
So
we just make it from generation to generation, you know?
Yeah. So you're a family as well too?
Yeah, man. One brother, man.
One brother.
Yeah, man. One family, man. Yeah, one family. Body there, one family, you know?
So, yes, it's a family project.
Come in, Godson.
Godson there.
Yeah, man, the fella over there saying I'm at the founder, you know. I'm really at the founder, you know.
Oh, the daddy?
Yeah, man.
Where daddy there?
Him the way over there, so see the over there, so.